In the heart of Birmingham, where countless footballing legends have left their mark, Villa Park stands as a symbol of pride and legacy. This stadium is not merely a venue for football. It is a living witness to decades of triumphs and defeats that have shaped the identity of the club. Villa Park has seen legends, championships, and unforgettable nights. But what's coming next? It's something you've never seen before. Here, in this sacred ground, the club now faces a new chapter in its story. A chapter where history meets ambition. As the club seeks to blend the rich tradition of the stadium with the demands of modern sport, the challenge becomes clear. Honor the past while stepping boldly into the future. This is not just about expanding the stands. It's about elevating the entire experience for fans, players, and the city alike. Villa Park is more than a football ground. It's a place of memories. From historic victories to heartbreaking defeats, every corner of this stadium holds the echoes of the club's glorious past. The roar of the fans, the thrill of every goal, the electric atmosphere, all of it has become part of the fabric of Aston Villa. Now, with this expansion, that legacy will be preserved and renewed. The new development will not only increase the stadium's capacity to over 50,000, but will also introduce state-of-the-art facilities, improved comfort, and immersive fan zones that promise to redefine the matchday experience. Fans will now have even more reasons to connect with the club they love, as Villa Park evolves into a place where tradition meets cutting-edge innovation. To understand where Aston Villa Stadium is headed, we must first take a step back to where it all began. Founded in 1874, Aston Villa has not only been a cornerstone of English football, but also a beacon of footballing excellence that has endured for well over a century. Through wars and triumphs, through decades of evolution in the game, this club has stood tall, its roots firmly planted in the fabric of Birmingham and English football. Over the years, the stadium, now known as Villa Park, has witnessed countless historic moments. From the thrill of winning league titles, FA Cups, and European glory, to those unforgettable nights under the floodlights, Villa Park has seen it all. Every match here has contributed to the story of the club. Every goal has added to the legend. Villa Park has been a place of passion and pride, where generations of fans have packed the stands to cheer on their heroes. It has been the stage for footballing legends, from the likes of Gordon Cowans and Dwight York to more recent stars like Jack Grealish, and has witnessed iconic matches that have etched themselves into the history of English football. The roar of the crowd, the sense of unity, and the electric atmosphere are the heartbeat of this ground. Yet, as time marches on, so too must the stadium evolve. Football has changed. The game is faster, more global, and more demanding than ever before. With every passing year, the needs of the fans and the expectations of modern footballers grow. Villa Park, for all its history and charm, began to feel the weight of its age. As much as this stadium represents the club's glorious past, it also needed to look toward the future. And so, the dream of an expanded stadium was born. It wasn't just about adding more seats or upgrading facilities. It was about finding a way to respect the past while building something that could carry Aston Villa into the future. Expanding a stadium with such a rich history is no small task. It's a delicate balance between preserving the soul of Villa Park and meeting the demands of modern sport. That's where the bold vision for the £125 million expansion comes into play. This isn't just a renovation, it's a transformative project that will reshape the very nature of Villa Park. The aim? To turn this historic ground into a world-class venue, capable of hosting the next generation of football fans and creating a matchday experience unlike any other. It's about blending tradition with innovation, enhancing the atmosphere, improving accessibility, and creating a space that connects fans to the game in new and exciting ways. The expansion will introduce new stands, more seating, and cutting-edge facilities while maintaining the unique character of Villa Park that fans have come to love. More than just a physical transformation, it represents the future of the club itself, an investment not just in the infrastructure, but in the experience of every single supporter. It's a statement of intent, a declaration that Aston Villa is not just a club with a rich history, but one that is boldly looking ahead to the challenges and opportunities of the future. Now, as the first phase of this grand vision takes shape, in 2021, the club laid out an ambitious plan for the future, an expansion that would increase the stadium's capacity by 7,000 seats, pushing the total to over 42,000. This wasn't just about making the stadium bigger. It was about transforming the fan experience. But with great ambition comes even greater challenges. How do you modernize a historic venue while maintaining its unique identity? How do you integrate cutting-edge technology while preserving its timeless charm? The answer? Innovation. The project's success relies on a combination of modern engineering techniques and careful planning. Engineers utilize steel structures to provide the foundation for the new seating areas, allowing the design to blend seamlessly with the existing framework. And all of this had to be done while keeping the stadium operational, ensuring that fans could still experience the magic of match days. But every great story has its moments of adversity. Just as the construction crew pushed forward with ambition, they were met with some of the harshest weather conditions: torrential rain, fierce winds, and challenging deadlines. It wasn't easy, but it was through these moments that the true spirit of the project was revealed. Despite the obstacles, the team continued to push boundaries, working tirelessly to meet the deadlines. Each hurdle that came their way was a test of determination, a test of teamwork, and a test of vision. And slowly but surely, the dream of an expanded stadium began to take shape. Of course, it wasn't just about building more space, it was about revolutionizing the fan experience. The expansion introduces more than just additional seating. The new design integrates cutting-edge technology, from state-of-the-art sound systems to immersive visual displays that will bring every match to life. The new VIP areas are designed to offer fans the best possible view, equipped with modern comforts, while also offering exciting new hospitality options. With the introduction of these modern amenities, the experience at Aston Villa Stadium will no longer be limited to just watching a match. Fans will be able to engage with the game in new ways, from interactive displays to enhanced food and beverage options, ensuring every fan, whether they're in the stands or in the hospitality suites, feels the electric atmosphere of the match. Expansion will make Aston Villa a more formidable force in English football. Its impact will extend far beyond the stadium walls. The project is expected to generate thousands of new jobs, from construction to hospitality, retail, and security, boosting the local economy and creating lasting opportunities for the community. The stadium expansion has already had a massive impact on local businesses. We've seen a significant increase in customers, and there's a real buzz about what the future holds. It's going to be a game changer for all of us. Beyond the jobs, the community will benefit from an influx of tourists and football fans, driving economic growth and ensuring that Aston Villa remains at the heart of Birmingham's cultural and social landscape. And as the project nears completion, we start to see what the future of Aston Villa Stadium will look like. With the additional 7,000 seats, new hospitality areas, and cutting-edge facilities, this stadium will not only be a football venue, but a hub for entertainment, a place where fans can gather, experience, and celebrate the sport in ways they've never experienced before. This is not just about football, it's about creating a legacy, one that will last for generations. Aston Villa isn't just expanding its stadium. It's expanding its place in the history of football, its connection with its fans, and its role as a beacon of engineering innovation. And so, the journey continues. The project may be nearing its final stages, but Aston Villa's legacy is far from over. This new chapter is just the beginning of an exciting future, one where innovation, community, and passion come together to create something truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at one of the most ambitious stadium projects in England, be sure to subscribe to I Am Civil Engineer for more stories on mega projects, cutting-edge engineering, and the stories that are shaping the world of construction. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.